Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to set up a Marco on your Fantech Thor X9 gaming mouse, and it will be an step-by-step video using the latest 2025 method. If you want to boost your gameplay or automate tasks, this guide is for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, install the Fantech Thor X9 software. First, make sure you have this official Fantech Thor X9 driver or software installed on your PC. You can download it from fantechwall.com. You just need to go to the support and just click over here support, and then you will find out the download options. In here you can see this is the theme Fantech or this one. So also you can go with this one, this download button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you can download the mouse options. So here you can see this is the mouse. So right now I am using this one, so from that place I will download that for my uses. So I am using that one. That for reason I will just click on the software. Once I click over here, then I will get the option as here you can see it already been download. So now I just need to be install this one. So you just need to be plug in your Fantech Thor X9 if you have or have not already. Once install, open the Fantech Thor X9 software. You will see the main interface where you can adjust button, DPI, lighting, and macros. Just click on yes, and it will take a couple of minutes to complete the setup. Just click on OK, and then just click to the next, similarly next, and click to the install. Then you just need to go to the Marco Manager. Click on Marco tab, and then Marco Manager in the software sidebar. Here you can see this is the platform. This is the options we already get. So this way you just need to set up your Fantech for you. So now you just need create click new macro and give it a name. For example, the rapid fire or auto click record and perform the click the sequence you want. For example, add rapid click, a combo move, or a repeat actions. Just click stop when you are done recording. You can adjust the delay between actions manually if you want faster or slower repeats. Then you just need to save and assign the macro. After recording, click save. Now go back to the buttons or key assignment sections in the software. Click the mouse button you want to use for the macro, for example button 4 or 5. In the assignment option, choose macro, select your set macro from the list and click apply. Test your macro, open the text file, a game, or any app where you want to test it. Press the assign button. Your macro should run exactly as recorded. If it is not working right, go back with the line timing or button assignment in the software, and that's it. That's how you set up the use macros on the Fantech Thor X9 gaming mouse in 2025.